Excuse me for the background noise, haha. Took a while to unwrap, I gotta be gentle. By the way, I got this from SHOPEE, Samsung official store. Same price in physical stores, but I got cash back online, so why not? Unwrapped done, let's unbox now. So happy and excited. This is my very first flagship phone.
Wow!
So beautiful. Inside the box is the pin injector and charging cord. But I got free Samsung adapter, which I didn't include in the video. And I also got JBL Horizon 2 speaker worth 4,000 baht. It's part of the pre-order promo. It depends in the stores if they will have freebies or not. During pre-order, Samsung offer free upgrade capacity. I paid the price for 256 gigabits and got 512 gigabits graded capacity. Look at that! Wow! It is said that Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is one of the best Android phones. It stands out for its giant screen and over-the-top zoom and S Pen stylus. Here are the basic specifications of Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra uses AI to enhance images, and it works well. Here are the sample shots I took. Here is the actual photo of my phone, shot using my Canon M50 Mark II.